guys, we're gonna go out here and put Petey out and see what's going on with the other horses. And I got chickens out again, so I don't know what's going on with that. These things are like Houdinis. I know that's definitely gonna have to be a project to get this thing all taken care of, because I mean, I don't know how they're getting out. But we got one out right there. I think there's like 4 out. There's a couple over in the barn. Most of them are in here, you know. But I think I just need a bigger chicken coop. These guys just went out all the time. So, but let's go get Petey out. I don't know if this microphone works better or not, but I know I got this new microphone for this GoPro camera, and I think it's making me more quiet. I don't know, like it doesn't pick up the sound as good as the stock stock microphone in the GoPro. So I'm just trying to work through some things on these cameras, but try to get the best ones. I recently just figured out how to make sure that to download the videos in the correct format. So it's a work in progress for me. So hopefully I'll get better at it for you guys. But we had some snow the other night. We're supposed to get 5 inches tonight, between tonight and all day tomorrow, but then it's supposed to change over to rain, which it's just going to make it another slop hole. It started freezing up, and you know, like I said, it just won't stay cold. And it's cold now, but it needs to be like 10 degrees for a couple days, freeze all this stuff up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Petey out here and see what else we can get into. All right, Petey, you ready to go outside? Huh? Go outside. Just an update on Heidi. We got about 4 more months. Oh, chicken. And she'll be ready to go. She, you can tell she's getting a belly on her now. Hey, Heidi. Yeah, she's definitely getting a belly. But yeah, see, April 1st, somewhere around there, like April Fool's Day. But she'll be due. So not too long with that, and we'll have another baby horse here. So that'll be exciting. But like I said, it started freezing up out here, but it's just it's still muddy. I mean, you can see how deep they're sinking. But yeah, we'll go over here and see what these guys are doing. There's old Fritz. Hey, Fritzy. Yeah. They've already ate all that round bale, so we're gonna move that other one in. But we still got a lot to do. I just wish it would freeze up. Alright, well, this is a pretty short video. It's just kind of give you an update. I haven't made a video in a couple days, but you know, the weather's been nasty. We've had some things go on here that you know, weren't the best. As far as with the animals, I just haven't had time. But we're all back on track now, and so hopefully I'll start making some better videos. Got some projects coming up. Definitely want to build the raised beds. I got a hay wagon that's back over there. You can't really see it, but it needs to be resurfaced. That's a couple projects right there. So I got to take all these gates down right here, and the gates that are over there, I got to get all those down, but we're waiting for it to freeze up. So once that's all froze up, we'll get that done. We got to still spread the manure. By that time it'll be springtime, and we'll be getting into some bigger and better projects. So I'm going to end the video here. Give me a like and please subscribe. Catch you later.